How Kind Bar's founder built a billion-dollar fortune on do-gooder rhetoric. Daniel Lubetsky, the 50-year-old founder of Kind Healthy Snacks, isn't really selling food. Rather, he's peddling health and altruism, at least the cheap sort you can buy in a 1.4-ounce fruit and nut snack bar drizzled with chocolate. The company has sold 2 billion snack bars since its founding in 2004, and has done so by wrapping itself in a mantle of nutrition and social good. It's almost all spin. Kind bars aren't particularly good for you, and the very much for-profit company, which is partly owned by candy giant Mars, has given just a pittance to charity, about $2 million at last count. The company says it has been, quote, generously supporting like-minded nonprofits. Lubetsky personally has given an additional $10 million toward Kind's philanthropic efforts. Still, the Kind spin works. The company has an estimated $800 million in sales and has made Lubetsky very rich. Forbes estimates that Kind is conservatively worth $2.9 billion. As majority owner, Lubetsky has a stake worth nearly $1.5 billion. Lubetsky declined to comment on his net worth. He'd rather talk about the company's mission, which is to make the world a little kinder. To that end, the company encourages both employees and consumers to do the kind thing by engaging in random acts of kindness. In practice, this means hiring hundreds of full and part-time workers to distribute vouchers for a free snack bar and samples of its fruit and nut bars to random passers-by. The son of a Holocaust survivor, Lubetsky started his own business, called Peaceworks, at age 25. He would consult for international producers to find a supply chain that was more cost-efficient and required collaboration among conflicting world groups to create a product. Then, Peaceworks would brand the food items, highlight the social mission, and sell them in the U.S. He started Kind in 2004 after traveling to Australia and finding a bar with all the fruit that he liked. Years later, he tried to replicate it in the U.S. Lubetsky says, quote, if anybody had said to me I would end up in the food business, I would have said, what are you smoking? I never thought in 1,000 years I would be selling food. For full coverage, check out Angel O'Young's cover story on Forbes.com. This is Kristen Stoller from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.
From Fox Business at 4 a.m. today.
Oh boy.